Hey guys, welcome to another video, another celestial tour. In this video, I am going to talk about an interesting topic. I'm going to talk about the future of the universe. Okay, now don't get me wrong, I am not predicting the future using stars and stuff like an astrologer. And I know, obviously, we didn't time travel with the speed of light to the future, so we can't see what is going on in the future. But if we use scientific observations, we can make solid astronomical predictions about the universe and cosmos. So without wasting time, let's just observe the future. Right now, we are in the year 2021, according to the Gregorian calendar. The date I am recording this voiceover is on May 13th, Thursday. 13.8 billion years have passed since the Big Bang and the formation of the Milky Way galaxy has happened. 4.6 billion years since the formation of the solar system and the planet we live on, which is Earth. If we give some information about the time we live on, we can say that there is a coronavirus pandemic on planet Earth right now in 2021. 40 years from now, in 2061, the Halley comet will return again in the night sky. In 2178, the first orbit of Pluto will be completed since the discovery of it in 1930. In 2300, Voyager 1 will finally reach the Oort cloud. In 50,000 years, the third biggest known star, VY Janus Majoris, will explode into a supernova. In 100,000 years, the stars in the constellations seen today will break apart, so it will be unrecognizable. In 1 million years, two of the moons of Uranus will collide with each other. In 50 million years, Phobos, the moon of Mars, will slowly break up and will form a ring in Mars. So Mars will get a ring. In 100 million years, Saturn will lose its rings while Mars gains one. And the fun fact, Saturn will actually spend most of its phase without rings. Weird to hear, isn't it? In 180 million years, the Earth day will become 25 hours. In 600 million years, the last solar eclipse will happen. In 800 million years, the sun will become brighter and photosynthesis, the most important biological process, will not be possible anymore. And plant life will die, and so will animal and human life. And like 3 billion years ago on Earth, single-celled organisms will be the only living organisms on Earth. In 1.1 billion years, the sun will still increase its brightness, and the average Earth temperature will reach 47 Celsius, so the oceans will evaporate. But on the other hand, Mars will start to be in the habitable zone, and who knows, maybe humans with plants and animals will go there after Earth becomes uninhabitable. In 5 billion years, the Andromeda galaxy and the Milky Way galaxy will come closer and closer and will collapse. And our new home galaxy would be called Milkdromeda, and the night sky would be filled with double the amount of stars seen from the night sky right now. In 7 billion years, the sun will become a red giant and will finally eat Mercury, Venus, and Earth. In 8 billion years, the sun cools down and it finally becomes a white dwarf. And the phase of the solar system finally ends. In 450 billion years, more than 50 galaxies in the local group will merge. In 1 trillion years, the radiation left over from the Big Bang will be undetectable. The future civilizations wouldn't really be able to know about the universe. In 10 trillion years, red dwarf stars will turn into the first ever blue dwarf stars. In 100 trillion years, the nebulas that create stars will disappear. Therefore, the very last stars are going to be born. Soon, the only stars that will be left will be only neutron stars, white dwarfs, and brown dwarfs. In 1 quadrillion years, everything outside the local group will be impossible to reach due to the expansion of the universe. Even the speed of light won't be fast enough to reach distant galaxies. In 100 quadrillion years, the white dwarf stars start to cool to black dwarf stars. The only natural light comes from the occasional supernova. Other than that, the universe is just dark. In 1 million years, massive black holes will be the only things that will exist. But even they will evaporate because of the Hawking radiation, providing the last light in the universe. After that, the universe is basically dead, even though space-time is still alive. But don't worry, as you can see, these are huge numbers. There is a tremendous amount left for the universe to die. We are just in the beginning of the universe. If the universe timeline was a year, we would be living in the first millisecond of the year. So, I hope you got amazed about the future of the universe and what will happen in the future of the universe. And I hope you enjoyed the video. And thank you for watching and listening. And stay astronomical.